name is Muhammad Akmal bin Umar Khan. I am from MDD3A. I am a leader of this group. Today we have a project to do with welding. So first, I will introduce all of my team. Check it out. Hi, I'm Amir Zohaili bin Ibrahim. I'm from MDD3A and I'm the member of this group.
Hello, my name is Adnan Bashir Saidi bin Romlan. I'm from class MDD3A and I also in this group.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Syafiq Iskandar bin Rosni. I'm from MDD3A and I'm also a member in this group.
Hello, my name is Arifayum bin Cirostan and I'm also from MDD3A and I'm the last one of these group members. Ciao.
For this part, we cut the market iron part into 2 iron rod 440mm long and 2 800mm long using a metal cut-off machine. And then we use a grinder machine to make a look smooth surface. And then this part we use a G-mount process to wet the iron rod.
After we get our required parts of iron to make our project done, next step is we must need the small welding machine to make our frame perfectly well. We need to weld the iron into the 90 degrees to make perfect frame and fully covered the drill.
And for this section of the project, we place the 440mm iron rod in the middle of the frame to support the 7 tempered iron rods that have been welded, and then do the GMAW process as usual on the part that is joined to the 440mm iron rod for more durability. So we're gonna do the GMAW process. After finishing all the GMAW process, for the final touch, smooth the uneven surface using the grinder machine and also remove sharp surface by using the grinder machine. Lastly is to coating it with acrylic paint, which works best on metal. Leave the paint coat dry for 36 hours